Hello beauty! Today we're going to learn how to apply our press-ons. Open your box and begin by laying out your nails. Flip your card over for the application instructions and pull out the gold bag of prep goodies. In your prep kit, you received a set of sticky tabs, a nail file, a cuticle stick, and an alcohol prep pad. The first step is to use the cuticle stick to gently push back your cuticles. If you feel the need, you can use the pointy end to remove dirt and grime from under the free edge of your natural nails. For the next step, file and buff the natural nail. Feel for the finer side of the file and use this side on your nails. Be gentle. Starting from one corner, file towards the center in a smooth motion to round the corners of your nails. Switch to the opposite corner and again file towards the center of your nail. Do not use a sawing motion, as this can cause damage to the natural nail. To buff your nails, use very light pressure and the finer side of the file to remove the shine from your natural nail. This will help remove dirt and oils that prevent the tabs from adhering to your nail or cause premature lifting. Avoid touching your nails. The oils from your skin can transfer back onto your nail. Next, open your alcohol pad and wipe your nails. The wipe will remove all the dust we have just created from filing and dehydrate the nails. Now that your nails are prepped, you're ready to apply your new set. Remove the backing from the sheet of sticky tabs. You can use your fingers or tweezers, whichever is easier for you. Match the press-on nail to the correct size sticky tab. Once you've found the right size, you can apply it directly to the inside of the press-on nail. Remove the backing from the inside of the sticky tab and you're ready to apply your press-on. Starting at the top, without pinching or overlapping your cuticle, begin slowly to be sure the nail is straight and apply with downward pressure. Use firm, even pressures for 20 to 30 seconds over the press-on to securely adhere the tab. You are looking to be sure that there are no gaps or air bubbles between the natural nails and the press-ons. Now it's time for the next nail. If you find it hard to apply the sticky tab to the inside of the press-on nail, you can apply it directly to your nail bed instead. Use your natural nail as a guide to finding the right fit. Apply the tab to your nail and remove the backing. Follow the same steps as the first method to apply your press-on, from cuticle to free edge with firm, even pressure. Continue applying your set with whatever method works best for you. Congratulations! You've successfully applied a set of You-Nique press-ons. Share a picture of your fresh set with us at BYN Beauty 22 on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Thanks for watching, and remember, always be unique.